Hey everyone, what's up? Chris here from whoschrishughes.com, and this video is going to be on guest posting on other people's blogs to increase your web traffic. On my actual blog, whoschrishughes.com, I'm going to be including another article that goes along with this, but if you're on YouTube, you can click below to get to that. I'm going to give you 5 steps, or 5 different things that you can do to start guest posting on other people's blogs to increase your traffic. First thing is going to be identifying blogs in your industry. So the way to find this is really easy. Just go on Google, type in what industry you're in, and type in blogs after it. Go to Google, Yahoo, Bing, look for the top like 5 or 10, maybe 20. Some people even have lists already created. Some bloggers already put together a list, and you can go there and there's a list of a ton of people in your industry already. The next step is going to be to connect with these blog owners. So, they're just like you and I. They're normal people. A lot of them, they don't have huge heads. Like, they're still down to earth people. And they're here to help. They're here to connect with you because they were once in the same position as you are, but they've successfully gotten to where they are because of connecting with people like you and me. So here's a little system that I personally use to kind of build a relationship with these people. Step 1, send some tweets as well as sharing their Facebook or sharing their content on Facebook and LinkedIn, other social networks that you're currently a part of. Step 2, let them know that you appreciate the time and research that they put into certain posts. You can do this by commenting on the post, telling them you appreciate it, what you've learned from it, your input on their post. Step 3 is where you start to develop the actual relationship, which is exchanging email, becoming maybe a Facebook friend, so you're officially connected. And then the last step 4 for this, is getting them on the phone. Beep, 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 beep. Calling them, being like, hey, what's up? I really liked your stuff, and just having a little one-on-one conversation with them, or even getting into, Skype chat with them. So what are going to be the benefits of this? Well, basically, you're going to have link backs to your blog if they allow you to, write on their blog. If you can write a guest post on their blog, then that's going to provide a link back to your blog. And that's also going to increase the link backs to theirs, so it's going to be win-win for both of you, as long as it's good content. You're going to be adding content to the other person's site. It's going to improve their SEO over time because added content, Google recognizes that, basic SEO stuff. You're going to be seeing fresh eyes. New people are going to be seeing your post because, say this person has 100 people who read their blog every single day. If your article's on there, they're going to read that, most likely. Not all of them are going to like it. Not everyone's going to like you. There's haters out there. I wrote a post on that earlier. But a percentage of them is going to come over to your blog and want to learn more about you and will become fans of you, and you'll start to develop a bigger following because of this. Also, what this is going to do is going to build relationships like crazy, because if you're being featured on someone else's blog, you're instantly portrayed as the expert in your field. So make sure you're providing phenomenal content. Don't water anything down. Give them the truth about whatever it is that you're talking about, because if it sucks, people are going to know it. They're going to think you're an expert. You're going to prove them wrong, and then they're going to probably be pretty pissed at you. So don't do that. Create good content, and it will be beneficial to you. Last step, allowing people to guest post on your blog. This is awesome if you're not in the mood to write a certain time. I've done this before, where I've called up friends who are in certain niches, who are expert in certain fields, and I've asked them to write articles based on what they're knowledgeable about. I've had people write articles on search engine optimization. I've had people write articles on Twitter plugin or Twitter tools that you can use, WordPress plugins. There's thousands of different things that people can write about, and by building up your network and kind of making friends with these people, you're going to be able to let them feature their knowledge, and that's not going to harm you at all. It's going to give more content to your blog, which is going to look good for Google because you're having new content, and it's also going to provide them a link back to their website, so they're going to be getting, new followers. They'll be getting new people from your blog, so they'll be happy with you. So this is just a little bit of a little tip, trick, whatever you want to call it, for increasing the traffic to your blog. To learn more, to learn a couple steps, learn where you can look for further information, go to whoschrishughes.com, and the link's going to be right here to the actual post, and it's also going to be below so that you can go get more resources and you'll be able to use this information to grow your blog. So I hope this helps. If you have any questions, leave them below. If you have any comments or anything that you've done with guest posting, maybe you've seen dramatic results from guest posting, leave the feedback below. I'm curious to how it's helped you. It's helped me a lot, and I know some of my friends it's helped a lot as well. So leave that below, and I'll talk to you guys soon.